Okay, Alexi, so for number 15, it says according to the equation above, what's the value of y plus z? So, the first thing I'm looking at here is if I subtract these two values, we're going to end up with the x's cancel, we're left with 2y plus 2z. I'm distributing the negative equals 300. Divide everything by 2, we're left with y plus z, sorry, equals 150. Done. Okay. So, let's move down. Alright, here it says on the xy coordinate plane, the equation is y equals 8 minus 4 thirds x. That intersects the x and y axes. So we're going to draw brief axes right here. And we're going to draw a line that comes down this way. Now I know the line starts up here because the b value is 8. So that means that this value right here is 8. Or this distance is 8. Now, what I need to find is what this distance is. So the way we do that is we take y equals 8 minus 4 thirds x. And the y value of this point is 0. So we have 0 equals 8 minus 4 thirds x. Alright, solving for x. I'm going to take some liberties here, and you get 6. So I know that this distance is 6. So I also know this is a right triangle, so it's a 6, 8, 10 triangle. So the distance from A to B is 10. That's our answer. If you aren't sure of how that 10 came about, remember that you have a right triangle, so you have 6 squared. Oops. Scroll up a little bit. Here we have 6 squared plus 8 squared equals AB squared. Which gives you 100 equals AB squared. So that means AB is equal to 10. Good. Done. Alright, next problem. Alright, so over here. Inner dimensions of both rectangular, you want to know if the tank would be repositioned on ground level. Alright, so what we have here is we're going to have a new three-dimensional rectangle. So, yeah, we'll connect some lines. So this point to here, this point to here, to here, this point to here. Good. Now, since that's 2, 4, 3, and I want this area to be faces that have the least area, so that I know that this side is 2. Oops. This side is 2, this side is 3, and the height of it that we're looking for is somewhere around 4, but we're not sure. So I know that there are 16 cubic feet of water, so 2 times 3 times h, the height is 16. So we have 6h equals 16, so that means h has to equal 16/6, or 8 2/3, whichever you want to write. Alright, last question on this page. On the number line above, we have A, B, C, D. So we know A is 1 because it says they're all integers. So they say that this distance is twice this. This is twice this. So we're going to say this is x distance. This is 2x distance because it's twice that. And since this is twice that, this is going to be 4x distance. So if that distance is 1, this distance has to be 2, this distance has to be 4. So if A is 1 plus 4, B has to be 5, plus 2, C has to be 7, plus 1, D has to be 8. So the smallest possible value of D is 8.